Hi, my name is Farhan Hussein and welcome to Introduction to Copilot Studio for Beginners, a series of videos in which we are going to explore the incredible agents that you can build using the Copilot Studio platform. Within the Microsoft ecosystem, there are multiple ways of building AI agents, and Copilot Studio platform is a no-code, low-code, and pro-code solution allowing you to build incredible autonomous AI agents. Now in this series of videos, we are going to be looking at creating AI agents specifically related to communication. So these can be email AI agents, scheduling AI agents using SMS, voice agents, and much more. This series is aimed at beginners, so whether you are a developer or not, this series can be very beneficial for you. And if you have never experienced Copilot Studio, well, this is the place where to get started from. So let's take a look at how the Copilot Studio platform looks like. So this is how the Copilot Studio platform looks like. And to access this, simply head over to copilotstudio.com. And if that is the first time you're going to the site, it will ask you to create an account. There is a free trial as well if you just want to give it a shot and see how the entire platform looks like. Within each video within this series, there will be much more detail in our GitHub repo, which will be provided in the description box below. So make sure to check out the GitHub repo. And if you fork it, you can always get up-to-date information related to all of the videos within this series. So this is the Copilot Studio platform. Here is where we can simply describe the Copilot, simply describe how an agent should behave, and it will go ahead and create it for us. Here we have some templates, help desk, expense tracking, HR, and benefits. And within this section, if you have already created agents previously, they will be shown in the recents. And these are other built agents which you can go out and explore. And then at the bottom, we have learning resources, and these are incredibly helpful if you want to get a lot more information. And on the left hand side, we have home, which is this page. Then we have the create option. This is where you can create agents, and there are a lot of templates for starting off as well. And then we have our agents. So these are the agents that we have created. Since this is the first time you're accessing, it will almost be empty for you. Then we have flows and tools. We're not going to be talking about this in this video, but in the later parts of the series, we'll go into much more detail. So since this is our first video, let's start off with something funny. Let's say create me an agent that tells funny jokes. So it goes ahead and starts creating an agent. Here we can simply describe how our agent should behave, and on the right hand side we can test out our agent. So we already have a lot of pre-built prompts here saying, can you tell me a funny joke, and a lot more. So here we can describe in plain English, and here we have the configure button. Here we can give a name to our agent, a description for the agent, and the instructions for our agent, and the suggested prompts, which are these. So let's go ahead and create our agent. Keep in mind that in this video, we're simply taking a basic look at the Copilot Studio platform, and in the next video, we will actually be going ahead, creating an agent and publishing it and seeing the entire process. So once you have created your agent, this is what you'll be presented with. And next to overview, we have knowledge. Here basically you can add additional knowledge, whether they are SharePoint sites, whether it's an external website, or much more. Then we have tools. These tools can be third-party tools, and you can and these are basically Power Platform apps as well, which you can connect, and there are a lot of them. And there has been a recent addition, that is the Model Context Protocol. You can add MCP servers as well. So next to that is we have agents, and these is basically adding an agent within an agent. So this is also very incredibly cool feature. And then next we have topics. We are going to be taking a lot of time looking into topics in the upcoming videos. Basically, this is going to dictate the flow of our agent. So this is where we're going to do it. And this is the activity bar, where if your agent is published, you will see a lot more metrics here. And then we have analytics as well. Since this is not published, we're not going to see anything. And finally, we have the channels button. So this is where we can simply publish our agent to various places. So we can publish our agents to Teams, Microsoft 365 Copilot as an agent, and then to other external channels such as Facebook, WhatsApp, Twilio, Telegram, and a lot more. So in the first episode, we looked at what Copilot Studio is, how to access it, and we did a walkthrough of the features within the Copilot Studio platform. And in the next episode, we are going to create our first AI agent and have it published. So, and we're also going to look at some of the features in a bit more detail. And as I mentioned, all of the details of all upcoming episodes and a lot more information will be provided in the GitHub repo. So make sure to check out in the description box below.